Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hello friends, today we are going to learn essential English words, meaning in English, examples, sentences, part 3. I am Mr. Wagmare sir from Tondli High School. Hello friends, see the words against. To be against something is to be touching it or opposed to it. They both lean against the wall. Beach. The beach is sandy or rocky place by the ocean. The little girl built a sandcastle on the beach. Damage. To damage something is to break it. The car was damaged in the accident. Discover. To discover something is to find it for the first time. I discovered some new information in this book. Emotion. An emotion is how you feel. Anger is a common emotion that we all feel. Fix. To fix something is to make it work. My dad has many tools to help him fix broken things. Frank. If you are frank, you are being very honest. The teacher had a frank discussion with her students. Identify. To identify something is to be able to name it. I use the file to identify his name. Island. An island is land in the middle of water. Japan is a group of islands. Ocean. The ocean is all of the salt water that surrounds land. The ocean can make powerful waves. Perhaps. Perhaps is used when you say that something could happen. Perhaps I will eat an apple for lunch. Pleasant. If something is pleasant, you enjoy it. The character had a pleasant look on its face. Prevent. To prevent something is to stop it from happening. The handcuffs prevented me from moving my hands. Rock. A rock is a hard thing in the dirt. I stacked rocks on top of one another. Save. To save something is to keep it from being hurt. I want to help save the world. Step. To step is to walk. Be careful where you step. Still is used when you say that a situation keeps going on. They are still waiting in line to get tickets. Taste. A taste is the flavor something makes in your mouth. The taste of the fruit was sweet. Throw. To throw something is to use your hand to make it go through the air. The pitcher can throw the baseball very fast. Wave. A wave is a line of water moves higher than the rest of the water. The water was filled with large blue waves. Image. The image of something is a picture of it. The image of her eye was very clear. Immediate. If something is immediate, it happens quickly. An immediate response came from the pizza place. Primary. If something is primary, it is the most important thing. His primary thoughts are about money. Proud. If someone feels proud, they are happy about what they have done. She is proud of the picture she drew of her house. Remain. To remain somewhere is to stay there. My sister had to remain home since she was sick. Rest. To rest is to stop being active while the body gets back its strength. I rested on the couch after work. Separate. If two things are separate, they are not together. New York and Los Angeles are in two separate parts of America. Site. A site is a place we found the perfect site for our picnic. Tail. A tail is a part of an animal's body sticking out from its rear or back. Our dog wags its tail when it's happy. Trouble. Trouble is a problem or a difficulty. I have trouble working with my boss. Benefit. A benefit is a good thing. Being able to fly is a good benefit to birds. Certain. If you are certain about something, you know it is true. I am certain that zebras have stripes. Chance. A chance is an opportunity to do something. I had a chance to see the Roman Colosseum last summer. Effect. An effect is a change made by something else. The medicine had a good effect on the boy. Essential. If something is essential, it is very important and necessary. It is essential to have oxygen when you scuba dive. Far. If something is far, it is not close. It's far going from the east coast to the west coast of America. Focus. To focus on something is to think about it and pay attention to it. My mom always helps me to focus on my school work. Function. The function of something is what it does. The function of a flashlight is to help you see in the dark. Grass. Grass is the green leaves that cover the ground. The grass looked so soft and green. Guard. To guard something is to take care of it. The police officer will guard us from any harm. Anymore. Anymore means any longer. Her old pants don't fit her anymore. Asleep. When a person is asleep, they are not awake. The baby has been asleep for hours. Berry. A berry is a small round fruit that grows on certain plants and trees. The berry looked delicious. Collect. To collect things is to group them together all in one place. I collected shells when I was younger. Compete. To compete is to try to be better than someone. He will compete with very good athletes. Conversation. A conversation is a talk between people. There were two conversations going on at once. Creature. A creature is any living thing. The creature we saw today was either a dolphin or a porpoise. Decision. A decision is a choice. He made the wrong decision. Either is used with or to say there are two or more possibilities. You can choose to be either white or black when you play chess. Forest. A forest is a place with lots of trees and animals. I love to go walking in the forest. Ground. The ground is the top part of the earth and we walk on. The ground under our feet was dry and brown. Introduce. To introduce someone or something is to say who they are. I introduce myself to our newest co-worker today. Marry. To marry is to legally become husband and wife. Rose and Henry were married and they lived happily. Prepare. To prepare is to get ready for something. I prepared my speech to the class. Sail. To sail is to move a boat on the water. I love to sail my boat on the lake. Serious. When something is serious, it is bad or unsafe. The accident was very serious. Spend. To spend is to use time doing something or being somewhere. I like to spend my free time fishing. Strange. When something is strange, it is not normal. Joe had a strange look on his face after he saw what happened. Truth. The truth is a fact or something that is right. He was telling the truth about seeing a large green snake. Wake. To wake is to not be sleeping anymore. He is always full of energy when he wakes in the morning. Hello friends, thanks for watching my videos. I am also very thankful for subscription of my channel. Hello friends, if you like this video, please put a like and watch it for 5 minutes and share it to friends, relatives, and also subscribe my channel. Okay friends, goodbye. See you in the next video very soon.